So here's how to type an @ symbol on your keyboard. First, you will need to press Shift and @ Now that only works for QWERTY keyboards. Now for AZERTY keyboards, you will need to press Alt and 8, or you can also open the on-screen keyboard and it should show up this window. Now you can press Shift and Alt for QWERTY keyboards. For AZERTY, you should see the @ in the 8 key in here. So you need to press Alt and 8 to type it. And if it's not working, you probably have something wrong in the settings. So we'll need to open time and language settings. You can also go to right click on Windows icon and go to System, and then time and language, and then go to language and region, and make sure you have English United States as the language in here. Now if you don't, you can click on add a language and then look for English US, and then click on it and click next and continue the prompt to install it or download it and install it to your system. Now you will need to click on the 3 dots next to English United States and then click on language options. And now in here, scroll down till you see keyboards. Now, if you don't have a US QWERTY keyboard or AZERTY, you can simply add keyboard and select the layout you want in here. For example, QWERTY, English, or AZERTY, French, or something. And now you should be able to type it either with the on-screen keyboard or with your keys on your keyboard. You can also type in the search bar of your browser @ key, and you should see it on this first search here. You can also type @ symbol, and you can copy it from here by simply right click copy or Control C and then paste it in your document like that with Control V. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.